Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video guys, we are going to be making so this week I got an order for soup, for fried rice, meat pie, and also buns. So that is what we are going to be doing. And if you know you live around my city, don't forget we are available for business. Feel free to contact us. So over here I just dropped in my onions, bay leaves. So I'm going to be adding my I added salt, Maggi, and all-purpose seasoning is what you are seeing over there. So I'm just going to give it a stir, and allow it to simmer. So I'm going to be using beef meat and also chicken for all this recipe. Feel free to check them out. So I'm going to be doing a video with them, so you guys can see. And if you also want to do a party, also feel free to contact us. We are open for business. So you can also find us on Facebook on Future Empire. So that is our name. It's ready. So I'm going to take them out, then put it in my air fryer while we continue to make our food. So I've already added some meat, so I'm going to be adding a little bit more.